Taran Tactical Innovations Benelli M2 18-inch barrel rifle sights, and I have got Federal Premium Flight Control 9 pellet double-aught buck, and I'm going to pattern it at a silhouette at 25 yards. Just to see what happens. That looks like it was low. I was aiming a 6 o'clock hold. So let's see. So that hit exactly where I was aiming. Let's take 2 more. I'm going to go center of the green. And center of the green again. And let's see what that looks like. Okay, so there's one shot off the silhouette, and it pretty much fills up the chest. So this has a improved cylinder choke on it. I'd say that's a bit far for self-defense. That pellet's gonna fly who knows where. So let's move up to 10 yards and see what the pattern looks like. Here we are at 10 yards. Much better. Much better. Low recoil 1-ounce slugs. And these are usually what I shoot for slugs. So let's see. See where that hit. Damn. Right in the green. Take a better hold. Right where I was aiming. So these sights are dead on. Let's take a headshot. Clear. Okay. So in my 870s, I run this PMC number 4 buckshot. Generally don't run it in this gun. I'm curious to see how it patterns at 4 yards. And you can see why I don't run in this gun. The brass portion, the rim on the brass is slightly smaller than normal, and it jumps past the shell catch. Just curious how it patterns. Holy Christ, that's awesome. And we're clear.